life begins at 4 takera. And it's in ingasha abantu abadala bayasifuna ke. Yabona laba abadala the big boys, everything laba umkhulu uzobona uzayiba mkhulu.
Umkhulu ukhumbula thina sa Foster yini and Foster.
No. Cause ngithi nina na Foster.
Why?
Thina abayabona amagay namantombazana ba break ngendlela eyi-1. Like ba break ngendlela eyi-1.
Mara yini and Foster.
Ngoba ngeke phela azongitshela ukuthi yena ukuze bamchamise kwamele bayibambe. Nalo angeke akutshela ukuthi yena ukuze bamchamise kwamele bamblowjobe. Lona angeke akutshela ukuthi ukuze bamchamise kuze like
abona lo one. Labena leyo kwamba la akayithandi. Yabo bani nangiyayithanda. So ifile ngathi ezinye izinto it goes with what do you prefer and what you prefer. And abanye bayathanda ukuchama.
Ukuthi like unale nto leya like le visualize nayo. Bese mina like naleya. Bese sebenza never ngeke.
Time for the extra lives. Huge. This like yabo khona umunye vele ngimaziyo nje yabona isikobonyana kodwa sharp. But kube no Beyonce kuleyo group kodwa bashela Beyonce the group.
Gays Chat up next.
Hi guys, welcome to Gays Chat. Yeah, it's a girl Opie Betty, the bed is being the ABCD period.
iyo.
That's like it's you.
Hey girlies, it's a girl Ausnell on the block, the dopest of the ropests.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay, I'll go share hamana bukuta bukuti bamadola when you hear na bukuta bukuti bamatawa. Let's go to Kaltala Science Show. Molweni bafazi, molweni izinto ezikhala ngomnconywa wovuyo. It's a girl sportsman meeting iphodlela lakho la Estrapez. Ngimnandi njengayo xa ngabe mnandi ngimnaki yoba mnandi bani omnconywa wovuyo umsipho wentokozo. Hello.
Hello.
So guys, today we're going to talk about Ausnell. That's what happened. Yeah. So it's called my velo.
Kumlipe to shelo mo nothing. Baby.
So kulma with maybe later there's some young white ones. Shoulder to cry on.
We've been talking about Chakatola but not
shoulder to cry on. So good time when I shoulder to cry on.
Kadalan. No, ucha mamalumam. Like it's trying to veil na no malume vele ukuhlala esofeni vele satha myself.
Yeah.
Cause like bangithi ngikhalela kuwe. Like ishoulder yami leya. Yeah, wait.
Oh, malume otlema ngayo. Mara sikho lapho.
Umalume olumayo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tell me intro, it's got time.
Abakuthi bamadao.
Jabu ganti.
Okay, so guys, today we're going to talk about my intro drama day, which like as well as last for how long? Like what it is of cook now or something. So it's kind of gosh. Let me try to me how long are you is it going to last?
And it's
No, it's a last for how long?
Wait, it's old sports new introductions.
Oh.
So for the year introduction.
The next day.
Thank you.
Yeah, see.
Okay,
it's old sports new introductions.
Old sports new. Okay, mina benifuna ukunibuza ukuthi ukuye like ngesikhathi. Do you think like usazoba Opie Betty or usazoshintsha wena usazoba
like usazoba opera indaba?
Manje timetable. Register, keep an register.
Hayibo wayithika ke laba on. Wena usazoba sportsman music
about yanga nyongo. Leba yini mfazi?
Or uzoba imofi yabanyongo like uzoba yini?
I'm old sports.
Okay.
Mina ngisazoba unalo team calls I think like yonke nje
abantu bakho bebophela nje emoyeni mina yonke into
ukuthi bozobhala nobakho angeke sisi never mind darling
wena manje ba insurance so bad you will last forever okay yeah mina be last very soon forever because can I'm operating ubhili vele uhlala lapha yakho zawindawo personality phela lena
yeah
Sound to song. Do you know introduction?
Okay, so far this year ukibe abafana bayingaji.
So far this year.
chai
What last year?
Come on, last year. Uskile last year.
oh memshaya isipina
Hi boy, now I got like
ochaya isipina argane
ngasho ukuthi yena ushayile
then wasirepeat abekho
bese mina yangazi ke nyagadlaza bese ke kanti bazomgadlaza uma sigadlaza gadlazeka ke agayi wakhe athi ngiyaduka nelizwe so njalo wine buyela lapha.
So guys, today we're also going to talk about
okay bese bengenibuza ukuthi if like mawe trans angithi uzosukubeka like it seems like ubeka impilo yakhe engcupheni futhi it's safe for umuntu like wena personally yazi ukuthi like ushapa ngithi but then for me I think like ubeka impilo engcupheni at the same time you are at the safe spot you understand because mawe trans abantu babona kuyintombazana okay umfana approach kube mnandi we expecting ku obvious
ikhona mawuba translate
no ayikho
also
udevelop amabele kuphela like no everything
ukwazi agenda ne ukuthi uye home affairs
I don't think South Africa bayavuma
no abachange
Uyenzile uthi musu.
I think trans une advantage yokuya home affairs uyo change ukuthi
change namanye yamaningi.
if prefer ubizwa as a female
Even uthola angisho yena.
uchangile
Uye
the private part still remains the same.
yeah
Okay, when I would date a trans man? Yeah.
Ngeke
Okay, to go to that they had to.
yabo
Obviously, a trans man is basically a woman, or what's in the officially a man.
mari kinguthi sizojabulisa kanjani
ukuthi like unale nto leya like le usually azalwe nayo bese mina like nginaleya bese sebenza never ngeke chile baby decorator bese decorating words for all dan ukuthi like isebenza komuntu
inkingi ukuthi ne like I feel like cause like as we know I'm a trans amaningi they don't usually mabakushela like uvela usho ukuthi I'm trans uvele ube honest spot ukuthini ngizomtshela isikhathi masiya ukuthi I'm trans okay niyajola le trans like a trans man uyabona na ukuthi indoda le iphelele but then izobhora masenifika phambili nisenifuna ukuyenza phela
phela ngasenibona
khumule naye alale athi
phela guys okay sure I understand
contrast kuleyo mjida bekathandana naye kuyini le 157 ku becoming as a confess ukuthi phela mina me guy uguy kade angaboni ukuthi uthola
beyanganaki ngiyakhumula la but noma nje mangathi namhlanje ngiya found out ukuthi masekathe akunanto ethengimile ngithi ngiyibaloni
so nina niprefera umuntu akutshele from the word go ukuthi
ukuthi ngazi ukuthi okay unomsipha lento engiyifunayo
but angeke
how
like let's be honest angeke umbuza umuntu ukuthi
bona chomo uzothula
are you a man
bese uyathula nithili ke
okay lento le iya kulento la ngithi kunama bottom nama top sometimes uhlangana nomjito ungazi ukuthi whether he's a top or who prefer both or the bottom or
that's why I'm mangathola umuntu of
so do you ask umjito ukuthi okay manje mjita yakhe akubona on uyangibona ukuthi ngiyinte so when are you a top bottom or reverse
ozangitshela mina leyo uzangikansela question yakho most like kule community I don't think like siyathanda ukuchaza like ama-rules uyangi-understand mina umuntu makangangibuza ukuthi like I feel like umuntu makakubuza irole yakho usuka maybe akudelela or something because there's no new way yokuthi umuntu akushele bese athi your role
mara imagine abantu abafana ukamu ivesa ngithi yamshaya ukamu ukamu ubani omunye lo besikhuluma ngaye la Kagiso ukagiso igay like elifana nawe but ukagiso uyivesa ufuna ukuthi mawumshana wakushaya so why you feel bad if uhlangana lo Kagiso in your life and Kagiso is asking are you a top or a bottom
uzangithe if like mina ngiyangami if like umuntu angangibuza ukuthi are you a top or bottom or verse mina I like okay I think lembuzo le so like singabuzana ngokuya kwesikhathi like while we are in a relationship because angeke ungibuze ukuthi uyi top kufanele ukuthi uthi ngicela ukulala nawe like kufanele ukuthi uthi ngicela ukulala nawe because immediately additive like umtshela like irole yakho kufanele ukuthi umtshelile ukuthi okay uyi bottom already sakayazi ukuthi senyodla lapha ya what if lo like ile 2000 i verse mara the more like isikhathi eside sifuna ini like utopiwa but then yena i-verse bottom and it's obvious like i-verse bottom all the time ufuna ukutopiwa mangaba ku relationship naye like angeke ngifile sharp because unomuntu wakhe naye yang understand amara i-verse bottom lo muntu lo all the time uyatopiwa nami ngiyatopiwa all like mina ngiyi-power bottom ngiyatopiwa all the time yena naye uyatopiwa upreferani ukutopiwa rather ujole i-verse top uyazi ukuthi linama-chance amancane
if uthi umuntu makakubuza ukuthi are you a verse bottom
that's why mina ngithi i-verse ngeke ngiyijole
ngimbuza immediately
wait okay must be honest wena umuntu makakubuza ukuthi uyi-lesbian eliphi like intobazana nje kubuza ukuthi uyi-lesbian eliphi uzokuthi like ukufana nestabani
ask ukuthi
istabani makakubuza ukuthi
that's the important question
mina I answer
mara uyabona istabani ne mara istabani mawusibuza ukuthi uyi-power like uyi-bottom or uyi-top
because sometimes when
istabani eziningi
let me tell you babe
iba rare like uyabona ama masculine bottom iyababhora lento lokuthi umbuzo like ama masculine bottom iyababhora lento kumbuzo like ukuthi uyi top or uyi bottom iyambhora i-masculine bottom iyababhora because ngake ngathola like angeke ngimbize ngegama but then naye is sort of i-celeb asho ukuthi yekelani like abafana bayamtext ukuthi like are you a bottom or top athi angithanda uku-identify i-role because as soon ngi-identify i-role kuyobe ngathi ngiprefera leyo role too much what if ngiyatopha somehow like ikhona i-bottom ulibonayo ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi i-bottom lela litophi nje lidrekele lifaka ama-fishnet lifake kanti like uma ngalo umuntu masenilele uyakubamba uthi oza ngikutophi kanjalo ufake i-skate that's why uzocanga ukuthi i-bottom kanti
I truly get the answer
umfana
sho ngiyayingezwa mani ngibrashwa insanga ngitsho ngize ngiyababa ngiyazondela phela sikhona ngisho hayi sana
and abantu abaningi like uma ungayigetha kahle ne umuntu uzothi maybe mawumbuza mina bangani bami abaningi ama-bottom but then like ukuze ngikhethe lento lokuthi abantu abaningi abafuni ukusho ukuthi bona ama-top ama-bottom umngane wami ungambuza like samba sonke si2 uthi wena uyi-bottom uzothi ngiyi-top because akafuni ukumana ayichaza ukuthi ngiyi-bottom meaning rather like angazi ufuna kanjani but then akafuni lento lokuthi nivumbuke jikijiki uthi ama-top ayi2 like ama-bottom ayi2 uzothi mina kusimi top like yakusimi i-bottom ngiyi-top
so nina nonke anifuna ukuthopa
Nangifuni.
Imagine guys, yawelento engitshele ngi-understand ukutshela othi mina ngeke ngitshole ne-study esingayenzi 50-50 it's a two-way thing sometimes nayo phela yafuna ukuthinta yileyo yinto i-reality engeke uziyibalekele different so wena awufuna ukurelease something or
no yeah let me answer that one okay in my own like ngi-understand kwami because mina vele like mina ngihlezi ngijona namagila kamadala sharp so mangicabanga this thing okay samkhona nje masimama kama ene sharp does like nje you know ngoba labo bakhudlile bogogo sharp so manje ngiyambuza ukuthi like lento lena yazihamba kanjani so disonke sihleli la okay bayasigibela ne sharp okay when he's satisfied what about you
yeah
what about
you just to get my question
you see so yena maka explain to me yena sekafuna ukwenzani like akafuna ukukevwa kodwa ufuna ukuthi ugaye umchamisi so it goes 50-50 so I noticed ukuthi no this thing it goes ukuthi people are now in okay some are gay but in the bedroom we want to know what satisfies you what doesn't satisfies me yabo fana nomuntu yabona nje yabona lo one yabona leyo kwamba la akayithandi yabo but nangiyayithanda so I feel ngathi ezinye izinto it goes ukuthi what do you prefer and what you prefer and abanye bayathanda ukuchama because mama kama yena uyafuna ukuchama
but it's pretty guys you can't run away from it
and at the end of the day uyazi ukuthi obvious
washo wathena
like during lento leya it must be 50-50
yeah melu ukhame because so okay when Bosch you come across when I watch ukuthi wena yakho sekuyijoy decorated mara manje you are grown old and sometimes as much as you receive mara mele now keep some
I say couldn't take a medication.
yeah
okay mamela ne uyabona sharia ngabantu uyabona ngitshele ne uyabona like sizothi sonke sihleli la ne ukhona like sonke la sinama different like sinendlela zethu ukuthi e bedroom like umuntu like uba nawe like uza ukuthi yabona manje like sengisharp nami nalo nendlela yakhe nami nginendlela yami so oba ngeke phela azongitshela ukuthi yena ukuze bamchamise kwamele bayibambe nalo angeke akutshela ukuthi yena ukuze bamchamise kwamele bamblojobe lona angeke akutshela ukuthi yena ukuze bamchamise ukuze like uyabona cause ufile ngathi mawutshele enye igay ufile ngathi like uzobona ngathi one day ungamthopa cause ufile ngathi lo ngathi mina ngiprefer ukuthi mina nomuntu masihebe angiblojobe at the end ukuze nami ngichame uzobona ngathi uzosblowjoba nathi
because hey ayijalo yes ugogo wathi yena ugayi ngoba nabasayenza training ugayi amblowjob
Vele yabona niwekhumbula wathi na Foster yini Foster
no njalo ngithi nina na Foster
why
thina abuyabona amagay namantombazana ba break ngendlela eyi-1 like ba break ngendlela eyi-1
mara yini Foster
mara ngifila ngathi thina yithethola
pleasure
no humiliation kakhulu than bona
yeah
because ngifila ngathi this like they don't like as much as but I can't
wena yakho nje ingcono wena umageza nje angeke akudlula thi
yes
wena wanje hey wena mawufika lapha maybe ema taxi like a taxi rank aba why kakhulu abayenze abakwenzela idirama but wena mawista abantu uwalk
And that's why.
Uthi Ntombi wara abekho abantu wonke.
How do you guys feel
Then also you tell-
receiving such hate from
That's why
community?
there was this other kid that said ne, ukuthi gays are the most strongest people ever. Because tabanga ne, a straight guy, ngimnike yonke outfit engigqokile ngithi hambe la aye Shoprite ngingayikhona.
Wouldn't.
He wouldn't. He
You guys are
wouldn't.
the prettiest.
That's why I was
Yeah,
asking
yeah.
how do you guys receive hate from community?
Like, okay, that hate ne, like, let me tell you, okay, maybe for me ne. Ngifila ngathi that thing it goes with ukuthi uqinile man. Angazi, you just do
Strong
things.
enough.
You just do things now you be like, oh, same manje and then ngiye ngaye Shoprite ngigqoke kanje ngadlula ngaye emakubeni ngaye and then you went like feeling like it's just confidence and ngicabanga as this day so risky people sinokubona abanye baba ne this happens maybe you know kharap at get a job so vele shawe la and that's why you know why and that's why siyaqhubela siyawalk.
And let me tell you guys, la one mokayo. I'm after 9.
Thank you. Uchele last time. Uyenzeka nje
I'm after 9.
Usakhumbula obi besayithi
2101.
besiyaphi besiyobheka abogayi baka Adini besiyale phezulu sabakhumbula laba bebenza lokudonsa bayiphisi wadwabo should be acting saka kwa kubo actually
Nenze see
cabanga ke
So my question is this, ne? Do you guys as bottom give Punani ukudlula ilona amantombazana?
Sithole him. I feel like yabona labantu laba thula ngikutshela sithole ne woza ngikutshela ne I feel like abogayi abaningi nabantu abaningi like a community they think mawi gay umsebenzi wakho ukuphana while you know when ukuthi akusinto yakho leyo from obvious umuntu makakubona wena ufana nobaba makakubona expecting kuwe you expect ukuthi lo mangambamba today uyonginika today.
I've been saying guys, am I listen to that vibe because we feel like ngeke ngabona le time for the extra lives. Huge. This like yabona no Kim Doja if nyamazi uhleza yamazi kwabi everything 5 but we let's vibe bishon lento lena if bangayiletha la izoxaka iyamxaka umuntu like yabo but ngifila ngathi vele ibusung vele
Okay, I have a question again.
Oh, okay, alright. Yeah, unta kwa ngithi bekabuza ukuthi like a community like ufila kanjani. Somehow I feel like while estradini sakho baba kuhleka or something you'll get used to that. And like uzojwayela kuzoba into okuthini mawuhamba endleleni awusena ndaba nokuthi abantu bathini. Kusojwayela ukuthi mawuye emakhuleni khona abafana abahleli lapha ekhoneni. Bazothini kuwe stabane wara wena woza lana uyasiluzisa esamajita wara sashota uyabona so manje sojwayela ukuthi loya uyazi ukuthi labafana laba mangifunda bazothi ufana namantombazana uyawabona amantombazana like nalamantombazana ukuthi bathi chomi bese uphendule bahleke futhi bayakhomba ukuthi like ngifuna ngakho ukuthi yibhari because kwamele bathi chomi bese wona uzigoqa nevoice hi chayani bese bathi mawudlula bathi mboneni wara like yabona somehow katswa mina amantombazana abaningi ne mangibabona bayigroup bamile khoneni bathi chomi beshaya ibomb until bathi hayibo chomi ngithocho bangizwa nginenkinga endle ngifuna ukubona ukuthi mangathi like mangabashaya ngebomb uqala bazohleka or in because kungalabo ukuthi mabomb like mobashaya ngebomb bavele bayiqhubeka into yabo bathi you mbukeni wara so mawungabashaya ngebomb uqala uhambe then bakubize futhi ilapho uzobona khona ukuthi abanandaba nawe lapha mara ngathi bangathi chomi waphendula fast bazosala ngawo topic we manje sala kuphekwa wena so I nje like yabona the more baba estradini sa
mara uzangitshela ikho lento leyo ukuthi usuyijwayela unamanga yonke igay izwa ubuhlungu
Yeah.
So,
No, you can't be a robot or the whole day.
That's why
I mean, it day one goes to be like, yeah,
phela kunokuthi mawufika like wabona ne lokuthi uyabona manje bakuthukile estradeni
When start back to get back bambi.
base bakubamba baba
abangani bakho bayike bakuhleke abangani ngathi uhlaba ungaka
ane so yabona bese like mawufika kini immediately like mawufika kini immediately uyahlala like uyacabanga like nokuthi maybe masamba sonke so bado like bahlekise ngo-OP then okuhle ayivuse like u-OP makafika kibo uzofila ngathi lo ufake somehow because there's no way Chuma ngisho like kanjalo. Chuma like there's no way ukuthi maybe abizu OP like ngamagama. Like maybe bathi like bathini the way aboyonela bamenza ngakhona and stuff but opinion bese mina ngiyafika ku-OP ngiyenze lento leya ijoke understand maybe ngithi chuma bazwile batheni like ngihleke manje ayisapheli like senyasho like ngihleke ku-OP ayisapheli expect ukuthi u-OP afile kanjani
most labangani
while OP usahila from yona
around wena ukuthi ba react kanjani to the hate
while OP usahila through yona when uyayivusa
abantu bamantombazane yo banjalo shame
That's what I'm for trans. Yeah, guys, I'm be the way bad baby shell. I'm doing that every day.
But Joby, also, I'm like, I'm so honest now, guys. Some of the girls by Mocha because by intimidated by women because hence I've said which you guys slay more than us. You guys like slay and do more than Tina. So some girls feel intimidated because why am I be pretty and allow you stab and like uncle. So also Mocha to bring down the confidence on that.
Guys, bangati.
You guys are very
Sasa, hilanga lika OP and you're gonna make sure with Sasa you show up as OP.
Yeah.
Like you get you go like extra mile to prove it's okay.
You know,
Bosch is in the building. Nelly's in the building. Like
you guys stick to your fashion.
You understand?
You're not trying to blend or look like anybody.
So I'm a Tombazan, you be like, okay, Titi. You know, you're up.
No,
but you make sure with as much as Balikuru Magabi, you live in
Tombazan as Bonama, as Martin. Maba shela kakhulu bangani mami laba maba shela kakhulu
uzambuza ukuthi
uzibone ngathi uBeyonce because ngibona ngathi most girls ni mali bashela kakhulu nje kabana like bashela kakhulu they feel like bad feel like because like attention yabo because khona umunye vele ngimaziyo nje yabona isikhobo nyana kodwa sharp but kube no Beyonce kuleyo group kodwa bashela Beyonce, the real Beyonce, yeah. So inshallah, man, but in Kilangatin, so far for me, and if Mina trans, maybe in terms of technology. Yeah,
okay, this is you guys advising upcoming gay. You not advising.
But so corner
I have a
planning, you know.
I have a 7-year-old brother who's girly. I mean, when lesbians,
but I support him.
No matter what happens, kumele stay strong. Just be strong. Cause relax emhlabeni. Wonke umuntu like angeke akuthande. Ngisithi like singahlala sonke so uthola ukuthi omunye unebeef nje nomunye la. Uthola ukuthi like unebeef yakudala usayigcinile kuwe. Like uya understand ufana namantombazana ayakhona ukuhlala wonke while ayazi ukuthi lo ngizwile ukuthi utheni ngami and angeke ngimbuze because kuzobe ngathi ngiyathanda ukuvusa into zakudala so uzovela ayibamba athi ushilo but then manhleli so uzombona ngokekthi ukuthi no man ama answer lawa abakhiphayo ngomlomo awekho sharp like umbuzo ukuthi uthi umuntu nathi ngibona kanjani like uyabona then thina sizohleka because sibona ngathi yini ijoke uyahlekisa nje kanti yena uyazi ukuthi ngihlekisi la ngimbambele lo
mayazi mina I feel like I'm a gay
kakwanza post umuntu wakho kakwanza post umuntu wakho yo
manje mina beke ngitshela ngiyeke again Somzalanga uzekabeni ngeke
Okay, boza nami nengikhulumqiniso ne.
That's why.
It doesn't work for you. It won't work for me. What if mina nabe so shata?
Okay, what's
my blocker bonke uthini? Mina ungazi. Facebook ubona ngathi block check every day.
Once ngaba obsessed ngumfana ne. Ngizothi ngicela ungiboleke ifone. Ngizenze ngathi ngenza something.
Yimi Thomi. Dala bengenza.
Account yakho.
Nangiblock wa crash.
No sbosh ngamblock.
Kwama ex-friends, kwama
ngaboleke ngasbosh manje. Ngiblock i-account yakhe angabona ngithi ngiyanje noma block. Ba block.
Once akabona umfana mfuna ifoni nami ngiyeni number yakhe if ngamshaya ifoni nami uzothatha leyo number
yezakho lezo uyaba text usbosh
interview
yakhona le day uslash azala kokuqala uslash usmash uslash tag ahlangana nathi le yabona ngase kasaka op angibiza abiza mina ngiyi1 because ngikho makangibiza athini kimi athi ngokubuza ama direction yoke became nabengazi ukuthi uza la ku broadcast athi ama direction yoke kuyapi ABK and then ngam director bese athi ngicela inamba yami bese linda ngamo phone number ka
Matata lapha hamba nosithola safika la matata wena because yazi masibula bovula bethu la
awusala biqalini lapha
phone that I phone the different requests to those
unamang oboqala okay ngamshuta lapha behind the scene because obheka hle mina ngihlela uslash ahleli la unama
mara bayinika be phone wayithatha
Chama tsaka phone
mangena ku account yabantu wasearcha wasend different things
mara mina ne if like ngingakuthathi serious ngiyakudlela like if like ngifeel ngathi ayi lona nje ayimthathi kubheka what's up post umuntu
I feel ngathi ni owe each other loyalty
uyangowa
mini obani
mama kashumise
mina ne
mina ke kongowayo lapho ngaplockela first time nalo mfana sicela ukuhlangana nje senze imithapho
mina bathi bangawiloyalty
ngablock umshado ngablock Yonela ngablock Raven ngablock isibanibani nalabe ngibona ukuthi lwa ngike nje asuke nje ambonile empilweni ngathi block mangibona ukuthi
because you must trust your person
the ain't show ukuthi
ngitshele why bayazama noma ngamthemba umfana lekhabene lezami texta zithi mina ke ngiyakuthanda ukuthi bathini babone ngathi bona nje ba best
but it's a very simple question that I was asking you. It means you guys give Punani more than girl.
No, we are not Punani.
Just because
like ama-gay aphana kakhulu.
Yeah, because
Because you feel like if I am
yes.
Makuyi-gay talk kobona like bathi
I-gay talk phela
gay talk. Yeah.
I-gay talk ni-rare.
Ama-afternoon aswanaki ngeke sibulelane nama-afternoon. But if bangathi khona i-gay talk eklasi lami wonke umuntu uzolifuna like bazozama ukuzilontsha.
Let's take
Oh,
it.
sabawela ukuba i-gay talk. Yaze wasala.
So the thing going to let example.
Waleli kwasibosha. Ngibangani wabo. Wasala.
Sithole ne uzangikwenzela example. Masithi uNtsakhe i-gay top. Uyafika ikasileka ophi. Ashele bani uophi because like ubone istabani kuphi sokuqala ikasilake uophi angithi.
Bafika abangani bami.
And the guy we open gay top uyaziwe like nakibo bayazi ukuthi hayi itabani cheese buza like hayi different types of itabani cause sithole uyazi sonke nje ezama gay ngathi 80% thina labazi like thina lama gay lawasazayo 80% ithama bottom 20 make 20% rare ukuze uthole gay top. That's why umuntu makathi mina ngithole gay top uophi maybe announce gay top like ukuthi shumla mfana lo gay top and mina ngiyaya kubo inini sengizozifuna lapha yakho lapha ya
Even a lesbian.
makure lapha ya kure ukuze ngilitholele umuntu lozongithanda
Lesbians enjalo.
Yazi maka lento le iya kanjani?
80% ama.
Iya ngalento le isho mina
20% abonsakho. Sibalwelana. That's why.
Oh, nani ni.
Mina ngifem unsakho is.
Oh, okay.
So tina 80% isibaningi amafem. Abonsakho ba few, so that's why isithole sesiwu6.
Oh, okay.
Yazi sithole injani lento le. Ngamanye amagay athanda ukuprove ipoint ukuthi no le nayi yibo laba baphana kakhulu umbone athi yo mina ngibuya kusifisa
asifiso njengoba usifiso
nayo yo mina ngilana lona ngibuya ngalabo and abafana abaningi mostly ama afternoon acabanga ukuthi like igay wayishela obvious wayicela lento leya uzoyinika no and uzothola thina abanye ke asikho njalo yabo manje kunalama gay la vele athanda uprove ipoint ukuthi mina lona ngalena uthi maybe umbonisa umfana usho lona kubonisa ama chats kanti akazi ukuthi uzehlisa yini isithuko.
Exactly. So that was my point ukuthi kushukuthi nina compared to
singabantu abaningi
point kalo iyo shemne cause like kunegeke ukuthi uyamazi usifiso ohlala ethembisa like ngenze example maybe sihlala yo last like sisowethu konke uthi sithola amazi umfana ohlala ezondi kuphi athi chomi usho lo omhlophe omnyama chomi ngilale naye lo uzibuza ukuthi hayibo sisila eFreedom Park wena ule like ufike kanjani ezondi because sila athi chomi futhi ngilalene akhombe nama chats wena sozoba nalento ukuthi ugagqilale nalo so uzobona ukuthi lo mfana lokusho ukuthi ufuna ukulala nanoma yisiphi isitabane like kunalama mfana la utholele ufuna ukuthi like abone ukuthi sihamba sonke so because uyazi ukuthi usibosha ngikasitshele because uyabona ukuthi uzose like isithunzi sakhe siyoyehla aze kimi nami ngihambe ngiyolala aye ku the day like the day azoya kusibosha futhi usibosha manje angithi abone ukuthi hayi lo mfana userious phela naye azosibosha
so ukuthi ama gay bottom you guys have a higher chance ukuthi ningagula into eyi-1.
Yeah. Like if maybe umfana ekas like i top li-1 yeah or i5 amagay top nje ekas like and then baningi sithola angeke nibangisane ngeke nilwe ngeke nikhwebhane because nizobona ngathi futhi like obhangajola naye ngiyozikhipha mina ku-ophi because ophi ufuna nemuntwini wami then ngizozikhipha ku-ophi ngibone ngathi u-ophi kudala afuna umuntu wami ngizozikhipha ku-ophi no-ophi uzokubona ukuthi mina ngifuna nivele kumuntu wakhe azikhiphe kimi then sojola lo muntu loyo oyi-1
mara for me mina angithanda ukujola umuntu yabona if ngazi ukuthi usiboshe kwajola okay mangiceda ukufika athi maybe usiboshe or ngizi maybe kwajana lo muntu lo or uye wayombheka today bakhuluma ngiyazikhipha if ungitextile or ungenze like bomb like ngifuna umuntu engathi wami kwabona actually
sifuna ukuthatha
ngifuna ukuyibeka like ngizothatha like ama lefto like into kwaba business si type but ngifuna ngathi bam specifically yabo
Chom inkinga umfana ngikakutshela ukuthi ngake
mina ngi-interview kanti ucabanga siyenza lapha go business interview
mara sibe honest
hayi ba like serious like mina literally mawufika lapha kanti awufika uncabuze kuphela vele uyabuza ukuthi kwenzakalani yabo
and nalo yena like making trailer uthi like bicala ngami ukuthi actually angithi ngiyaliki shumrave
obvious manje sitshela into efuna ukuyizwa guys
and like uku relationship is speak kufaka ukuthi profile picture yokido idio
and mina kuna lo mnyo wasemerideni lo chomi wesibhacuka isikelem sami because first time ngithe just ngi-interview ngiyabuza ukuthi like yonke into chomi like wenzani stuff ujwayele lento lena shop makayenze ngathi akayazi and unamanga sister mase okay mase kujwayele isikhathi ngithanda ukuya kuyo mbeka nokuthi yongcina ngawo kuncabuza yo awukhaka yo amanga like ngiyamthola manje ngiyamkhetha
come on now
ngingami kanti
come on now
ngizosele manje ngaba lapha
manje
like ngifila kanjani expose ama after 9
hey boom
seba expose
come after 9
okay mina kumqiniso
because now
I feel like
in my open relationship mina phela ngijolayo saba nesikhulu esijolayo but
I feel like like expose ama after 9 whatever I feel like uba childish somehow cause kumfana kuba ezivi achievement bazothi I point usikhila lesa stuff like must like amake talk more maybe ama after 9 like bayazana ukuthi lo uyayishaya into yakhe maka ngilona mom expose ukuthi like ungidlini now uzehlisela isithunzi ukuthi uthola ukuthi abanye nje bambona njengephara
isithunzi befanele nibehlisa isithunzi laba ngoba yibo abandelela
nathi mina baba ngamdelela
and most abafana engingalala nabo ne yibo laba abadelelayo
abana baba ngathi umfana yangihlasa kanjani strategy
laba badelela ngoba banala
ngiyothula ngathi ngistreamer like angengitha
mina shemu ngiyamkhipha bangani
engisifunayo angipha sona
yabo balala babhara
mina leyo ngitshele ne yabona mina
ngathi stabane phambi kwabangani bakhe eyamina yakho yasebusuka sinandaba ukuthi abangani bakho agamela bangayazi vela
yuko bathi after 9
mina leyo ngitshele ne ungaba after 9 ne
nashema imfihlo yakho
then
spread
mina ne ungaba after 9 ne but manginabangani bami like obviously like ama girls siyatalk man like isakhuluma mina ngiyasho ukuthi guys ngiyamazi lo basho ukuthi ubani lo chomi ngithi elenye after 9 reda ngitshele bani ama girls then ngitshele ama gay cause ama gay wathi lo after 9 lakho umuntu uzofuna ukubona ukuthi ngiqiniso after 9 lakho
yasekazo
bayathanda ukuprove point cause bayathanda ukuprove point why asifuna ukuprove point ukuthi cause like uyakhetha like bayathanda ukuprove point ukuthi ngiyempela
yabo send a friend request ngibona mekaqeda mngani send message I'm text
like yeah like okay message request ane message request we send it fast then obviously umuntu ufuna ukubona ukuthi like le one le eyani uthola ukuthi wena like nambe nginaso le style ngiyasenda ngiyadelete ukuthi like azongena angibuza ukuthi zikhiphani maybe something maybe because nanoma nje senda ngiyadelete from request sometimes
manje guys leyo kufaka ama number kubhayini sasa kanjani sibashe yakho phela hey
mina namba kubhayo mina namba kubhayo
sobawazi
namba kubhayo kubhayo mina
okay but still question yaka obi is there ukuthi what do you think ilabantu abafaka ama number kubhayo
I think ukuthi balonje fast like
bafuna ukuthi basheshe
say like
thole for mina there
key options like
thole for mina nje ukubeka
bakhona bhala kanjalo
yeah but
hey I'm
and mostly ama fake accounts laba bangazi aba supposed
and therefore mina to look beka ama number ne I feel like wenze ngathi u desperate somehow for uthando like ufuna like when awukhethi nje age group cause ngakhulukhulu masingaba honest labantu labanje abakhomentayo nje ama video nama gay wara laba bathi come now smash you abantu abadala abantu abadala
abantu abadala like ikari but bama 90s me, they really want gays right now because I agree they exit straight for maybe 13 years, 14 years. So now they wanna experience what sababadala bafuna ukushona bayenzile lento le because I feel like Barry life begins at 40 again. And it's in ingasho abantu abadala bayasifuna ke. Yabona laba abadala the big boys, the everything laba omkhulu uzobona uzayi bamkhulu.
Like umkhulu azakuphelele nifo manhlanga nazathi.
Ngiyakufuna wena.
Banjalo.
Enebadala.
Mina ekaslam ne. Like mawungena like unomunye ubaba so uyambona ukuthi lo umkhulu to the max. Uzokutshela like and abantu bachanga ukuthi maybe usakayenzela ufani sekayenzela athi wena mangakubamba ngizokwenzela enye into.
And bayabulisa ke
yabona manje
bayabulisa kamnandi
kanjani. Mina kwami ku opposite nalento lene unomunye ubaba like ngiyamqobe kwindweni uyangibiza uzuthi ngiyayimayiza uphosa ilitshe ngiyakhala hey yacho mfuthi umalumama azaphuma cause umalumama uhlala kuphi like opposite angithi then umalumama azaphuma mbuza ukuthi kwenzakalani lo ngoba lo azana la excuse snacks cause vele bengingafuni ukuphuma vele cause then umalumama azathi kumele sikufakele igate before bengilala before kungena gate cause bengifila ngathi angithi umalumama like bekafile ngathi makangangena straight obvious kusegate lakithi bazombona so bekama ngale ngase tavern angiphosele ngilithi then umkhulu like umalumama ambuza ukuthi sizokushaya ngempamba
Unjalo no.
Then ambuza umalumama ukuthi kwenzakala naza ngama excuse yena lo beka busy emini then sasa mangi like sasa ngiyenze ngathi nothing happened ngiyaziveza nje then athi wara ngiyambheka ngithi lo ucanga ukuthi angazi ukuthi ubuye lo bekashaya lapha ya so abomkhulu nje yibo manje
Okay, so Ira,
Khuluma chomi then ngizokuza after.
Khuluma.
Oh, okay guys, I'm curious. Yeah. Obviously I'm a straight friend. I'm a straight friends with my young child. Yabo. So ngifuna ukuzwa kini nini ukuthi like is it nice in protection noma like natural?
Ngobuze bona is nice literally inungivaya.
No, give us. Don't call her.
uloliwe kuthi uloliwe wakhe uyenza raw or uyawasha maybe uyaclean ngoba
kanje like
over
plastic.
ngisho ngawenza ngeplastic.
uyawugeza
No, chama ngithi
okay masithi ngiyenze ugeza
Okay, angandaba uloli ubaba kaHani. If ngiyazi ukuthi hayi ngiyabheda manje like
Yeah.
So uqala wenzani unuke noma
wena ngeke uzofaka immediate
kulontshe athi god okay sharp ngize ngesimela ngithi oh angikho
ufana like mangaphethe into enkulu like mangafuna ukufaka vele ukuthi ngiphuthwa ama-pulse awuvele nje like awusamniki excuse amaningi azakubuza ukuthi yini leyo ukuthi angiphethe
usamnika i-chance
like angithi usafuna like ayingani yo into ezochama manje
enkulu
uzangitshele yabona la yazi into enginothile ne amafana abaningi 100% sebabelieve ukuthi abotsoponi since abogel vela ifikile eGG ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi ama-K vele izofika
lapho vele ufake phakathi kwamathambo
ngiyakutshela abatsoponki bagcwele 100%
and abatsoponki ne basifunela
yabona
okay itsoporinka lakila
okay kanti expose abanye abantwana
like I feel like condom narrow uses it to be honest because mina for me mina vele angengifike nje ngiyahave I don't know nala
mal
like ngiyahave like somehow some like chom like ne isikhathi eside like angeke uyali like into yazi ukuthi uyayenza some because why kwamele ufihle while uyenza lento leyo mina ngiyahe and
It's your
like
lifestyle.
most of the time ngithanda like i-loop because I prefer ukuthi ivele yenza into ezibe easy isheshe aqhame iphele
Yini look.
i-lubricant
I-lubricant angiyazi.
Sure, it's sort of a loop.
Word of the day, here guys. Word of the day. Keep watching, guys. Word of the day, keep watching. Sizoza, you know, so shinjana na mapondi. Oga, never ito pondi. So yeah, guys, keep watching and everything. Like, you subscribe, you give, guys. Yeah, well. Bye, guys. Nilisasene.
Word of the day, phuma emntwini ophume kuwe kulika before umuntu ukuncenga umuntu ongakondli.
Thank you. Phuma emntwini ophume kuwe.
Iyo.
Ungamlandeli umuntu ongakondli, ungangithengeli ipenti.
Bye.